In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photos to Canva template 2025. Step by step. If you're new to Canva, don't worry, this walkthrough is simple and beginner friendly. All you need is a Canva account and the photo you want to use saved on your device. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Canva. Click the official site to open it. Once you're there, log into your account so your designs save correctly. If you use multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one before you begin. On the Canva homepage, look for the Create button near the top. This opens up your design options. From here, choose the type of design you want, or simply continue into the template library. The key is to pick a template that fits your project: social posts, flyers, presentations, anything you like. Browse and select a template you want to use. If the template includes image frames or placeholders, that's perfect. It will make swapping in your photo even easier. Click the template to open it in the editor. In the left sidebar, click Uploads. This panel is where all your personal images live inside Canva. Next, click Upload Files. Navigate to your photo on your computer and select it. Common formats like JPG and PNG work great. If your file is large, give it a moment. Wait for the upload to finish. You'll see a small progress indicator, and once the thumbnail looks crisp and fully loaded in the Uploads panel, you're good to go. Avoid clicking away from the page while it's uploading to prevent interruptions. Now select the photo you uploaded. You can either click it to place it onto your canvas, or if your template has an image frame, drag the photo over the frame until it snaps into place. That snap is Canva recognizing the placeholder and filling it automatically. From here, resize and move the image to make it look just right. Drag the corner handles to scale the photo while keeping its proportions. Click and drag to reposition it. If it's inside a frame, double-click to adjust the crop and drag the image within the frame for the perfect composition. Use the alignment guides that appear to center things neatly. If elements overlap, open the toolbar and use Position to move the image forward or backward in the layer stack. Take a moment to check edges and spacing so everything looks clean and intentional. And that's it. You've successfully added a photo to a Canva template. Canva saves automatically, so your changes are safe as you go. Thanks for watching and enjoy creating your design.